in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about viewing or changing payment methods you have saved onto the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Brave browser if it's not already open, and then you want to select the menu icon up at the top right and go down and select versus settings. So now that we're on this page here, you want to select autofill and passwords on the left side, and you can select payment methods. So if you had any payment methods, they would appear down this field right here, and then you just would select save. And if you ever wanted to edit this information, you just would click the three-dotted icon next to it and select edit, or you could delete that card information as well. So if you wanted to modify that, you can, or just remove it from a payment method on this page. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.